Welcome to the new sound. Today we'll explore 16th notes and how they relate to the music we make. In music, a 16th note is 1/4 of a quarter note. Imagine a single beat in a song, and within that beat you have 4 equally spaced notes, meaning each 16th note gets 1/4 of a beat. You can count 16th notes like this: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. 16th notes are crucial for creating rhythms. They add complexity and can totally change the feel of a track. Let's add some to a basic drum pattern so you can hear the difference. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.